will have the table of content, document control, when it was last updated, by whom it was updated, those sort of things, what was added in the change. Then it will have the introduction part, the project introduction part, the project overview, scope of the project, out of scope of the project, those things. If there are any journeys, it will have the sample journeys, use cases, the solution architecture diagram. Okay, any project will have a flow diagram from where the responses, like what is the end-to-end journey will look like. Okay, so it will be sort of like this diagram. This is just an example. Okay, it can vary from different projects. So it will have this flow diagram. We call it as architectural diagram. Now it will have uh, the individual level of journey details. So suppose in any journey, there will be the different components will be involved, right? So it will have those components listed here, and it will tell you, it will give you the view, the document will give you the view that what sort of testing you need to perform. Okay. So you can see there, here we have different element view wherein we have the different components listed there. Suppose if I am going to this middleware, it will give me the view that, okay, this is the API, this is reuse. Now, what do you mean by reuse? The API is already existing and it does not have any sort of change. Okay, now for this particular API, you can see it is written here modify, right? So that means this API will have change for this, for which we will have to perform a testing. Okay, so this particular solution document does give you a component wise view, like what and all changes you will have to perform. Understood?
So, is it like the requirement traceability matrix, but in technical form?
Requirement matrix will have this requirement traceability matrix will have the only list of requirements. Okay, so it will not have any theoretical view, it will not have any diagram. So this is the example of requirement RTM document. Okay, so you can see here we don't have any, like, this is complete theoretical. If you read one of the scenario, you will be able to understand. There is no technical view. There is no component view that, okay, what will be the flow, from where and we will be getting the data. It doesn't have any sort of those things, right? But to perform this particular requirement, you will need some view, like what and all components will be involved, from where and all where we are having the changes, right? You need that view in order to create your scenario. So from where you will get that? You will get it from the solution design. Okay, so solution design will give you all the view, like from the architecture diagram you will be able to know that, okay, what is the flow diagram, from where we are, from where the input will go, from where the output will come. Then we have this element view or the component view, where you will be able to understand that where and all we are having the changes in detail. Okay, so solution design means a design document for that particular project, which will give you the in detail view, like what is this project, what is the change, for what and all you have to perform the testing. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Right. So okay, it is already 12:30 and we have to cover